guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Oshey, and in today's tutorial I'll be showing you guys how I achieved this cut crease look. If you want to see how I achieved this look, please make sure to keep on watching, and let's get right into the video.
So for my transition, I went in with this burnt orange shade from the ABH eyeshadow palette, and I'm just placing it on the outer corner of my eye while I blend it into the inner corner of my eye. To deepen that transition color, I went in with this burgundy shade. For more depth, I went in with this dark brown shade from the ABH palette, and I'm placing it below that transition color. Then I went back with the same brush I used for my transition color to blend them together. So now I went in with a clean brush to blend the edges of that burnt orange shade. After that, I highlighted the brow bone area. So to cut my crease, I used the LA Girl concealer in Fawn, and I just cut that a little above my crease. To set the concealer, I used the Sacha setting powder, and I went back with the same dark brown shade I used earlier to blend that. I went in with this navy black shade on my lid, and I just placed it in the middle. I went in with this sky blue shade and I placed it on my lid, and also blending it into the navy black shade. I added a black eyeshadow on the outer corner of my eyes just to add a more smoky effect. I went in with a liquid glitter on the cut crease. To line my eyes, I went in with the yangabeauty liquid liner, and I went for a really long wing. So after that, I lined my waterline using the yangabeauty eyetitude. Then I applied my lashes off camera. To prime my face, I used the NYX Shine Killer, and I'm just applying that all over my face. For foundation, I used the Maybelline Super Stay Foundation in 355, and I'm just going to apply that all over my face, dabbing it into my skin, and I'm making sure it is sitting well and it's covering my spots, because you know I don't use color correctors or to highlight my face. I used a foundation, and this is my first time, guys, so I used the Reveling foundation in Toffee. To blend that highlight, I'll be using the same brush I used for my foundation, and I'm just going to blend it starting from the outer part of that highlight, and I will take it all the way in, making sure there are no harsh lines. To set the highlight, I used the Sacha buttercup setting powder as usual, and I'm just going to press that into my skin. To set my whole face, I'll be using the Zikel cosmetics powder in either bronze or chestnut, I'm not sure. To contour, I went in with the Zikel cosmetics powder using the second to the darkest shade. I'm not sure what it's called, but I'll leave it in the description box below, so make sure to check that out. Blush, I used this orange shade from the Classic Cosmetics blush palette. So for my lips, I used this burgundy color lipstick from Dose of Colors, and I didn't line it because I feel like it's going to work on its own. So I went in with the yangabeauty setting spray. For highlights, I used the Candid Glow by yangabeauty-oshey. To smoke out my under eye, I went in with the navy black shade. Open up my eyes a bit, I went in with this sky blue shade, placing it on my inner tear duct.
So guys, this is the finished look. Did you enjoy this tutorial? If you did, please give me a huge thumbs up, share this video, and drop your comments down below. Let me know what you think about this look, and please guys, subscribe to my channel. Please support your girl, support me. I need your support full time. Please support me, subscribe to my channel, it is totally free, and click on the bell like button to be notified each time I upload a new video. And to my next one, guys, I'll see you all